is group 5. And the members in this group are Ainamas Kopelan, Ainomcha Flavia, I'm Simba Janet, Kumsinje Fiona, and Namkenya Sharifa. So I'm going to present introduction, and my name is Ainamas Kopelan. On introduction, we have computer management as the topic that we are going to talk about. So, a computer management is a built-in Windows administrative tools that helps users and IT professionals monitor and control various aspects of a computer. It provides access to system utilities, storage management, user accounts, performance monitoring, and more in one place. Since we are still in introduction, this is an overview about computer management. Computer management is like a control center for Windows. It has 3 components, the major components. For example, the first component is system tools. System tools for monitoring and managing users, hardware, and performance. The second component is storage. Storage is for managing disks and partitions. And the third component is services and application for controlling services and accessing system information. Since we are still in introduction, these are the importances of computer management. It is used in data management and backup, helps in managing hardware, software, and network resources effectively. It helps in software and application management.
I'm Simba Janet. I'm going to talk about system tools. System tools are very important in computers because they help to keep the system working properly, secure, and efficient. The following are the importances of the system tools. System tools like the task manager, diagnostic utilities help in identifying and fixing problems when an error occurs. System tools also help in improving the performance of the computers. Tools like the monitor, CPU usage, memory disk, health and network activity, prevent crashes or overloads of the storage. We have the components of the system tools. They include task schedule, which allows you to schedule and automate tasks such as launching applications, sending emails, or running scripts at specific time or events. In the components of the system tools, we also have an event viewer, which displays detailed logs about system events, warnings, errors, and security audits. We also have shared folders, which shows all the folders that are shared with the network users, as well as currently connected sessions and open files. The other components of the system tools, we also have local users and groups, which lets you manage the user accounts and groups in the computers. It is also useful for the system security and access control. We also have another component of performance, which is not always available in all editions. It provides live system performance data such as CPU, memory disk, and network usage. Lastly, The last component of the system tools, we have Disk Manager, which displays all hardware installed on the system and their drivers. It is also useful for troubleshooting hardware issues. That's all about the system tools.
Fiona Kopsinje, I'm presenting storage. Now, computer storage refers to components of a computer system that are used to store data. Types of storage: primary storage, which is the main memory, then secondary storage. Yes. And then their functions: enables sharing of information between devices, for example, USB, then internal drives and cloud storage, which also it keeps data, files and programs permanently or either temporarily. A program executes support, then it keeps information structured in files, folders and others. Primary storage. The primary storage is also the main memory. This is the computer's main working memory, which is the CPU, and directly accesses data and instructions from the primary storage. Examples of storage devices: so we have RAM, which is the random access memory, then the cache memory, then registers, and ROMs, which is also read-only memory. Characteristics of primary storage devices: they are speedy and very much faster than the secondary storage. They have limited capacity, whereby they store less data compared to secondary storage devices. They mainly hold instructions and data currently being used. They are relatively expensive per unit storage. And secondary storage is where data is stored for long-time use. Examples of storage devices: hard disk drive, solid disk drive, optical discs, then memory cards and magnetic tape. Characteristics of storage devices: we see they are portable, they are cost effective, whereby they are cheaper than primary storage. Then they store data for a long period of time.
I'm Kenya Sharifa. I'm going to discuss about services and applications. As we know, a service, you can't touch it, or it's not physical, but it is intangible. Then application is a software program that is designed to perform a specific task. Then the definition of services and applications in computer management refer to the software processes and programs that run on a computer, either in the background or through user interface. Then I'm going to discuss about also the examples of common services and their functions. Our first example, we have Windows update services, which help in updating the operating system automatically. Then we also have Print Spool that helps in managing printing tasks. Then we also have antivirus service, we have networks, among others. Then I'm going to talk about the functions of services in computer management. These services support multitasking. They also manage resources. Services also support application in a computer management. Then we also have the functions of applications in computer management. For example, application enable user productivity. It also facilitates data processing like editing, sharing, among others. Then also we have the examples of applications which include Microsoft Word, we have Google Chrome, we also have calculators. That's it. Thank you.
My name is Ainul Shaflavia. So I'm going to talk about the conclusion of all these for the things of for the computer management, like the conclusion of all this. Alright. So in conclusion, by the integrating these essential tools into a single interface, computer management empowers administrators to be proactive instead of reactive. They can monitor the system health, enforce security policies. Here I mean enforcing security policies means this is the process of actively implementing and maintaining rules that protect the computer system or the internet. Yeah. So we also have automate maintenance and the rapid diagnose problems, all of which they are fundamental activities required to maintain the smooth performance and security and the stability of a computer system in order for it to work well, and which care which newer tools like the Windows Admin Center exists for the managing multiple servers. Yeah, computer management remains the tool for the hands-on management of a single machine. Thank you.